Thank you, Dr. Gopalan. Thank you, everyone. Sir, a very warm welcome to you, and thank you for your excellent speech, sir. Excellent speech, and no one could understand better than what you said. How the biomedical industry has really been today ushered a new responsibility, and people need to understand that it's two things: engineering and biosciences going together with informatics. That is really going to make a dent in the coming years, and especially with the pandemic here. So I welcome everyone once again. I have a dual role to play today. Just to give a debrief on the entire series which happened, the four-leg series which happened, and apart from that, also moderate a very distinguished panel which we have of experts today. Without further ado, I'll just try to wrap up the entire four-leg series, which, on behalf of All India Medical, technologies, which we have and RIMED, have been able to forge with the India-Israel partnership. So India and Israel relationships are now, over the last couple of years, gone beyond cultural, economic, defense, and agricultural ties. And what we have now cemented further is healthcare, and especially during the healthcare pandemic, the COVID pandemic. The healthcare collaboration between both the countries has been in news lately, and important areas and disease areas, especially, and technologies have been cemented. Be it the areas of EMR, cardiovascular, peripheral vascular technologies, diabetics, gynecology, women health, oncology, neurosurgery, rehabilitation, or now even, as you alluded, sir, AI technologies that include contactless monitoring applications, advanced medical management systems, and AI-assisted robots, which All India Institute of Medical Sciences just received a couple of weeks back from Israel itself. So it's been a remarkable journey for both the countries. Both the countries have had mutual respect and ardent relationships, and especially both the prime ministers have been equally interacting with each other over the last couple of years. And there's been enough which has been groundbreaking between both the countries. Israel, as I said, is a world leader in groundbreaking innovations and finding new technology solutions. It has also become a major provider of innovative solutions in the field of life sciences. Israeli solutions over the past couple of weeks, I've had the privilege to hear to a lot of companies which have made real-time breakthroughs. I mean, Israeli solutions respond today to today's healthcare challenges, to lower overall healthcare costs, which you just alluded to, meet the world's evolving need. And earlier in the webinar series, I also learned that Israel is a home to almost 1,000 life sciences companies, with 40 new companies being formed each year. So you can imagine the kind of technology acumen this particular country has, the technology which this country relies on and has been sharing globally also. So hats off to each and everyone who's been contributing to this. Uh, as I said, I mean, it's at the forefront of development. It's at the forefront of making life-changing medical devices, treatments, medications. And in this field, Israeli scientists and engineers have integrated advanced technologies in electronics, communications, electro-optics to develop world-class innovations in digital imaging, medical lasers, telemedicine, early diagnostic, and smart surgical equipment. So we're going beyond smart cities. I mean, within smart cities, there's going to be an integrated plethora of devices which will be targeted towards healthcare. So I think this is an innovation which everyone needs to really, applaud when we look at such a country. I see a great potential in India's healthcare sector. Like Israel, our goal is also to bridge between the growing infrastructure and service requirements in India. And with the unique technology Israelis can bring here, we will be able to address both the Prime Minister's vision of self-sufficiency and healthcare for all. Over the last couple of webinar series, many Israeli companies are keen to be a part of the rapidly growing Indian healthcare system, and I've seen that myself. And this system is striving to provide the best medical procedures and services to the Indian public and also take it globally. There is no doubt that the cooperation between both the countries will be beneficial to both the people of the countries and also take it forward globally. Providing quality healthcare is a goal for both the Indian and Israeli governments, and I'm confident that Israeli medical device technologies can and will have a strong and positive effect in India and strengthen the partnership between both the